Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Purva and today we will be doing the project overview of the residential project Parkview 1 by Suraj Estate Developers Limited located in Dadar West. As you can see, we are standing at the actual location of the project right in front of the sales office. And towards my left is the actual land parcel of the project where the construction is in full swing. Also, you can see the main road and the neighborhood of the project. In this video, we will be discussing about points like overview, location, connectivity, amenities, carpet area, booking process, launch discount offers and many more. But first, let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. And now, talking about the project overview, this project is spread across the land parcel of 1 acre, and as you can see in the model, it will have 1 tower with ground plus 9 level of podium for car park, 10th level of amenities and 29 residential floors, having 1 BHK and 2 BHK residences. Also, Jodi options are available. And now, talking about the location and connectivity, this project is located at Anant Patil Marg near Dadar Aqua Metro, Dadar West, from where Dadar Aqua Metro is only at a distance of 1 minute, Dadar Railway Station is only at a distance of 1.1 kilometers, Shivaji Park is only at a distance of 5 minutes, and you have Siddhivinayak Temple only at a distance of 1.7 kilometers from the project. Now, talking about the amenities, as you can see in the model, it will have a gym, a banquet hall, jogging track, indoor games, yoga room, kids play area and many more amenities within the project. And now, talking about the configuration and carpet area, as said, this project has 1 BHK and 2 BHK residences with 1 BHK ranging in the carpet area of 464 to 506 square feet and 2 BHK ranging in the carpet area of 670 to 862 square feet. Also, Jodi options are available in the project. And now, talking about the booking process, the booking windows for this project is now open. Meanwhile, the clients can come and visit the site and the sales team will give you complete project overview along with the 3D model, will also explain you the plans and pricing, will show you the actual location, and then if the client likes the project, they can book by paying a token amount of 11 lakhs for 1 BHK and 2 BHK. So everyone, this was the project overview of the residential project Parkview 1 by Suraj Estate Developers Limited located in Dadar West, Mumbai.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.